Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2026 how to align objects. So for example, you can create rectangle and the second I will create the polygon objects. You can type a polygon set into 5 for sides. Double click here, use Inscript and then move to the top here. Now if you want to lines like I will align this edge with this edge, we can use align command. You can type align, press enter, and I will select these objects. Enter again. You can move from this point to this corner. Okay, again from this point into here. Now you can press enter to align this object. Click no. If you align with resize the objects, you can type again align and select this object. I will move from this corner to the top here, this corner, and click again from this point into here. Press enter. So I will use yes to align with scaling. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2026 how to align object.